In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Pixel on Webflow. We'll walk through adding a trusted Webflow app that sets up the Meta Facebook Pixel and connects the Conversions API for more reliable tracking. I'll keep it simple, clear, and focused so you can follow along in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening your Webflow project in the Designer. Once you're in, open the Apps panel or the Webflow Apps Marketplace. In the search bar, type PixelFlow to find the app called PixelFlow FB Conversions API. When it appears in the results, select it to open the app card. You'll see an option to install the app on your site. Before you proceed, it's helpful to open the full listing to understand exactly what the app does. In the listing, review the description tab so you know how it handles events and integrates with your Webflow project. Then switch to the Permissions tab to see what access the app requires. This app needs permissions to connect with your site and send conversion events to Meta, which is expected for Pixel and server-side tracking. Once you're comfortable with what the app does, go back and choose Install on-site. Webflow will guide you through the installation process. After installation, you'll be prompted to connect your account with the PixelFlow dashboard. Click to sign in. On the Sign In screen, you can log in with your email and password, or use Google to authenticate. Pick whichever is easiest for you. If you're using email, enter your credentials and choose Sign In with email. If you prefer, select Sign In with Google and complete the standard Google sign-in flow. The goal here is simply to authenticate your account so the app can finish linking everything between Webflow and Meta. Once you're signed in, PixelFlow will be ready to finalize the connection for your site. From here, follow any on-screen guidance inside PixelFlow to confirm settings. The benefit of using this app is that it pairs the browser-based Pixel with the Conversions API, helping your analytics stay accurate even when cookies are limited. Reviewing the app's description and permissions beforehand ensures you understand how data flows and what the app can access. That's it. You searched for the PixelFlow app inside Webflow.